The Intel Core i7-7700 desktop processor is a robust option for those looking to build or upgrade their PC with a powerful and reliable CPU. With 4 cores and 8 threads, this processor is designed to handle multitasking with ease, making it a great choice for both gaming and productivity tasks. The base clock speed of 3.60 GHz can boost up to an impressive 4.20 GHz, thanks to Intel's Turbo Boost technology, ensuring that you have the power when you need it. One of the standout features of the i7-7700 is its compatibility with Intel 100 and 200 series chipset motherboards, which ensures a wide range of options for pairing with your existing or new setup. Additionally, the processor supports Intel Optane memory, providing a significant boost in data access speeds, which translates to faster boot times and quicker application launches. The Intel UHD Graphics 630 integrated within the i7-7700 offers decent performance for casual gaming and HD video playback, although for more intensive gaming sessions, pairing this CPU with a dedicated graphics card is recommended. The processor's 8MB cache enhances its ability to handle larger data sets more efficiently, reducing lag and improving overall performance. Another key advantage is its relatively low TDP of 65W, meaning it runs cooler and consumes less power, which can be particularly beneficial for those looking to maintain a quieter and more energy-efficient system. This makes the i7-7700 an excellent choice for compact builds or systems where heat management is a concern. In terms of real-world performance, the i7-7700 excels in various benchmarks and user scenarios. Whether you're editing videos, streaming, or running complex simulations, this CPU manages to deliver consistent and reliable performance. Its multi-threading capabilities ensure smooth multitasking, allowing you to run multiple applications simultaneously without experiencing significant slowdowns. Overall, the Intel Core i7-7700 desktop processor is a versatile and powerful option for a wide range of users. Its blend of performance, efficiency, and advanced features makes it a top contender for anyone looking to build a high-performing PC. If you're in the market for a new processor that offers excellent value for money and future-proof features, the i7-7700 is definitely worth considering. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.